In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an AI chatbot that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and questions. It can answer factual questions, provide summaries of topics, or create stories based on user input. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. There are many ways to make money with ChatGPT, but in this video, I'll show you the 3 main ways. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it as a freelancer. You can use ChatGPT to provide services to clients who need help with things like writing, editing, or even coding. For example, you could use ChatGPT to write articles or blog posts for clients, or you could use it to edit and proofread their work. You could even use ChatGPT to help with coding projects by having it generate code snippets or debug existing code. This is just a few examples, and there are many other services you can provide using ChatGPT. To get started as a freelancer using ChatGPT, you'll need to first identify a skill that you have that can be valuable to clients. Then you'll need to create a profile on a freelancing website and start bidding on jobs. When you're bidding on jobs, be sure to highlight your skills and experience with ChatGPT so that clients know that you're able to deliver high-quality work using this powerful tool. Once you start getting some clients, be sure to deliver excellent customer service so that they come back to you for more work in the future. The second way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can use ChatGPT to help you create an online course to share your knowledge with others. For example, you could use ChatGPT to help you develop the curriculum for your course or to generate sample code or exercises for your students. You could also use it to create marketing materials for your course, such as descriptions and sales pages. To get started creating and selling online courses with ChatGPT, you'll need to first identify a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that there's a demand for. Then you'll need to create a course outline and develop the content for your course. You can use ChatGPT to help you with this process by having it generate sample lessons or exercises for your students. Once you have your course content, you'll need to create a sales page and marketing materials. Again, you can use ChatGPT to help you with this by having it write copy for your sales page or generate ideas for your marketing campaigns. Finally, you'll need to set up a payment system and start promoting your course. You can use a platform to set up a simple payment system and start accepting credit cards. To promote your course, you can use social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. The third way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to create content for social media platforms. If you're good at creating engaging content, you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with new ideas for content and to help you write scripts for your videos or posts. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate ideas for YouTube videos or TikTok content. You could also use it to help you write scripts for those videos. To get started creating content for social media platforms using ChatGPT, you'll need to first identify a niche that you want to focus on. Then you'll need to create a content plan and start creating your content. You can use ChatGPT to help you with this process by having it generate ideas for your content or by having it write scripts for your videos or posts. Once you start creating your content, be sure to promote it across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags and engage with your followers to help your content reach more people. Analyze the performance of your content to see what's working and what's not. Use this information to refine your content strategy and to continue to improve your results. Now these are just a few ways to make money with ChatGPT. There are many other possibilities. As ChatGPT becomes more popular, new ways to make money with it will continue to emerge. If you're looking for a way to make passive income, then check out my other video where I talk about how to make $1,000 per month in passive income. Thanks for watching.